Keep storage compartments secure. Perfect for new or replacement installations. 5/8 offset to cam mount from faceplate. Easy turn thumb operated style. Includes straight and offset cam. Keep your storage compartments safe and secure with Camco's thumb operated cam lock. Ideal for new or replacement installations on RVs. Easy turn thumb operated style. 5/8 offset to cam mount from faceplate contains one offset and one straight cam. Camco makes quality products for RVing, boating, camping, towing, tailgating, grilling and more. Our products help take your passion for the outdoors to the next level. At heart, Camco is a small company with big aspirations. Since 1966, we have earned a reputation for providing superior goods with high customer approval. We also work with inventors, entrepreneurs and small businesses to bring innovative products into the marketplace. At our core, we believe in manufacturing exceptional products and delivering superior service, all while providing a great customer experience. Top reviews from the United States. Operates very smooth. Used to replace key locks for RV storage doors. Got really tired of needing a key to unlock the gas cap and power cord storage. Be sure to get the shaft length right, which I did not. There are 2 shaft sizes offered, both of which were on my vintage RV. It ships with 2 lengths of interchangeable hasps.